fix search bar not working on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is just hit the combination of Windows plus E on your keyboard and you will be redirected to this file explorer, or you can also simply open it just like this. So once you're inside here, just head over to your local disk C, and inside this C directory just tap on this Windows folder, and once you're inside your Windows folder, now simply locate the system32 folder from over here and just head over to inside of it and just locate CTF mode like this, and make sure to right click on it and simply click on send to and send to desktop as a shortcut. So once you do that, your shortcuts will be created over here under your desktop. So next thing what you need to do is just copy this shortcut from over here, but you can also always right click on it and just copy it, and just hit the Windows plus R on your keyboard and just search in for shell startup just like this. So once you search in for shell startup, you should be heading over to this page, and you can simply paste it over here, which is the shortcut we just created just like this. And finally press again Windows plus R on your keyboard and simply search in for this cdfmod.exe and run it, and it will work correctly. You can also try restarting your computer and it will fix the issue successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.